Hello everyone. Here we are just going to understand a few graphs with different records. Here I am not going to generate a data dictionary or data table. What I am going to do, I am giving a list value, right? And basis of the list value, we will see how we see the graph. So this is the monthly sales trend. This is different month sales trend. I hope there is no need to understand. There is no need to explain about the pandas, seaborn, because seaborn and pandas we are not using here, right? Only we are using metaplot library, right? So metaplot library, this is the trend 200, 2500, 300 to uh, 280, 350 means, and these are the plots. And only plot PLT. This is the alias of the metaplot library and the plot and the cells title. This one show this one, right? Let me run it. It will show you the trend of that, right? You can see that I am not giving any uh, you know x-axis value. It's basis of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Basis of that starting from 0 to 4 is taking the values, right? So let me manipulate that data as well. 800. Now you can see two value I added. Let me run it. You will see what the value. Yep. You can see automatically six axis values. You can see in on x-axis six numbers. You can see because 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 records are there, so it's giving us the seven values this side and giving the graph like this. This is the value. Fine. 7 800, right? Add the 5 800, add the 6 400. Here it's 350 like this. So means here in monthly sales trade there is no need to give the x-axis value. It will automatically generate. I hope you understand, but still if you have any doubt you can comment. I will try to explain. Thank you for watching.